In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a fresh table on Freshsales CRM. A fresh table in Freshsales is created by adding a custom module. Think of a module as a dedicated place to store a specific type of data with its own list view and its own set of fields, like columns in a spreadsheet. This is useful when you want to track something beyond the standard leads, contacts, and accounts. To begin, look at the left sidebar and click Admin Settings, which is the gear icon. This is where you manage how your account is configured, including custom data structures like modules. Next, navigate to Module Customization. In some Freshsales layouts, you may see this as custom modules under the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Either way, you are looking for the area where you can create and manage modules. Once you are in the right place, go to the top right and click Add Module, or the plus button if your screen uses the icon version. This starts the process of creating your new table. Now you will enter a singular name for the module. Choose a name that represents one record in the table, such as property rather than properties. This will make the wording in the CRM feel natural when you are adding or viewing records. After that, select an icon to represent the module. Picking a clear icon helps you recognize it quickly later, especially if you create multiple custom modules. When you are ready, click Save. This action creates the module and immediately opens the field editor, where you define what information each record should store. In the field editor, click Add Field to create the columns for your new table. For example, you might add fields like price or date. As you add fields, use simple, consistent naming so your team understands what to enter. It also helps to think ahead about how you will sort or filter records, because the fields you create determine what you can search and report on. After you finish, your new module will appear as a clickable icon on the left sidebar. From there, you can open it anytime for daily use and start adding records to your new table. And that is all there is to it.